This is Adam in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, zone 5A/5B, depending on where you look. I was just this is the winter wonderland, you know, lots of snow everywhere. This forsythia, willow, covered barbecue. There's what is it? It's a bamboo. It's a fountain bamboo. I think it's a Philostachys. Second one starts with an A. Can't remember it. The musa basjoo and the Trachycarpus. We're gonna take a peek on the trachy. I know we've had some pretty rough weather here. It's been a pretty wicked winter. We're getting heavy snow right now. Like, not heavy snow, but wet snow. So this is great snow to build a igloo or maybe a fort, throw some snowballs at people, you know. This door really came in handy, I have to say. But now brace yourself. I've said in a couple of posts, it doesn't look pretty in here. Like I said, it doesn't look all that pretty. The Christmas lights are kind of doing their thing. I could tell you it's been pretty wicked cold in here. It's like, you know, there's still life to it. I know that. Scott, you asked for an update, so here it is. It's pretty mild today, so I decided to come out. And here's one of the new spares, you know, and it's got life. It's holding on strong. It's just wicked torched. So this kind of looks like my first year that I had it. This is the fourth year. This is its third winter. It's starting its fourth year in the ground. That's all I can say, really. The bananas are no better. I didn't put anything, I probably should have wrapped it more, and there is a vented hole, you know, so there is vent. My first time doing this, I didn't do any ventilation, so that was you know, that was a bad one on me. And it still thrived, you know. I had to end up cutting a lot. And this year will probably be another cutting a lot year. Well, anyway, that's about it. I'm definitely learning from this curve. I know I'm not doing a terrible job because I've managed to get it to stay in the ground for quite a few years. I don't know, I may check out the other method of the mummy wrapping and see how that does. I'm hoping to see some of my local colleagues and see how they how their wrappings did, and if it's because we've had the same winter, right? So if they've had amazing results, then I just may try it out, check it out, see. I hear it's cheaper and better. So hopefully. I don't even want to go on the bananas. It's sad. I bet the bananas are pretty promising, right? So they'll come back, so it's not the end of the world. Well, anyway, that's pretty much it. Happy gardening.